Incredible Incas.
We Incas were discovered in South America in the 1500s by Spanish explorers, and it turned out they were after more than just our friendship.
Hola. Welcome to Very Rough Guides. It's 1526, and I am Spanish explorer Francisco Pizarro. This is my right-hand man, Pedro.
Hola.
Today's program is all about visiting Peru.
And stealing all of their gold.
Pedro, please. Don't talk about stealing the gold, okay?
Sorry, boss.
Okay. The journey here was very simple. All we had to do was sail 5,000 miles from Spain to Panama, travel overland through the dense jungle, then build a whole new boat and sail down the coast to Peru.
It only took us 2.5 years.
Easy peasy, squeeze the lemon. And now we are going to meet some local Incas, see how they live, and find out about their magnificent culture.
And steal all their gold.
Pedro, please, don't mention that stealing the gold, okay? When we met them, the local Incas couldn't have been more welcoming.
Children of the sun.
Oh, yeah!
Hello.
Welcome!
They thought we were sun gods because of the way the sun reflected off our steel armor.
Why not take us sun gods to see all your lovely gold so we can steal it?
Pedro, I told you not to mention the gold, okay? What is wrong with you?
Do you want to pop in? Follow us.
The Incans have some very unusual attitudes to wealth.
I'm an Incan chief. I'm very rich.
Wonderful. How very rich, exactly?
Very rich. I have many wives, many children, many grandchildren.
What about gold?
Pedro, please.
Yes, we've got lots of gold, but I don't see what that's got to do with being rich.
Oh, nothing at all. Don't worry about it. It's not a problem. Okay, no, I don't. It's brilliant. In Peru, there is so much gold, the Incans don't really value it. For them, your family, your followers are your real riches. No, don't go use it. Okay, gold is worthless. Okay, we're going to go now. So bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet
Bye.
you.
Ta-ta.
Okay. Walk, don't run.
Well, they seem very nice.
I really recommend a visit to Peru. My first trip has only cost me 100,000 pesos. But next time, I will bring extra troops and I will make millions, from stealing all their gold. Shh. What? Don't you push me.
Yeah, but you said I would.
What? It's okay now, Do you see Incans around? No. What is wrong with you all the time?
Don't push me in front of the camera.